Alright, today I'm trying to fix my friend's water damaged M5 Pro. Oh my days! Which has a hall sensor problem. That's full throttle, by the way. Let's do this.
Make sure to subscribe my channel.
Yes, subscribe to his channel.
Sorry, Ethics23. Is this paint?
Yes, it is paint. Yes, you put paint everywhere. It's fine. This rear linkage is...
Should we also fix the paint a bit in the front after?
Just leave it to me. Maybe I can't fix the controller. I don't know. We'll see.
You can put the G2 Pro controller inside of it, because I don't need the speed limit.
Well, I need the G2 Pro controller, because I'm gonna put it back on the G2 Pro, because I need a VESC out of the G2 Pro. I need a VESC out of the G2 Pro, because I will get another VESC just like that, and I'm gonna put a VESC on the G2 Master, and we gonna fly.
Don't spoil the YouTube.
Alright.
Okay, at least I still got the foam.
Well,
it's good.
Let's see.
Pristine condition foam. Definitely not burned. This is definitely not burned, right?
Oh.
What? Yo,
bro.
Don't tell me it works now. Why the fuck does it sound like that?
Bro, you know what the problem was? Your phase wires were touching each other.
We
Bro needs new bearings. Let me just insulate your connectors and...
Okay, please.
Then we'll see if it works.
Well, this was the easiest fix of your life, wasn't it?
Bro,
Oh.
your phase wires were touching.
Okay, my scooter is fine. No way. No, I could have come to the joyride. Is he coming again this year?
Yeah, I bet he is.
Joey,
Yeah.
if you see this guy's video on his YouTube, please don't come on Thursday. I want to come to your ride out for once. I can never come on.
Yeah, he's busy on Thursday.
I want to see Joy because he's cool.
Yes, he's cool.
I want him to try my scooter.
Oh man.
I think he's gonna like it.
I'ma just insulate your power wires too, just in
Okay.
case, because they were chopped.
Thank you, black guy.
Well, I am black, look. I'm dressed
No,
black.
your clothes are black.
Yes.
Spoiler, the guy you're watching on YouTube is not black.
No way. This insulation is
days, this looks like
decomposing.
it's shredded to atoms.
For real, bro.
Almost.
Oh man, these connectors are pretty cool.
Yo, do I need 1 or 2 bearings?
2. It will cost you about $10 to replace them.
I'm curious to see how the inside of my motor looks.
You wanna check?
I want to see if it's rusty like your G2 Pro.
Bro.
Oh my days, that wire looks... It looks sad. Only the tip is out.
Hey, yo! What do you mean by that? It's not really about quality content, it's about funny content. I should also...
Like a fade.
I should...
A low taper fade.
Oh my god.
You
Indeed.
should paint your shocks.
Nah, I'm gonna replace them anyway.
Last time I came here with the scooter, it didn't even have that bearing noise. Well, I really want to see how that motor looks inside.
It works!
Yeah. No way.
Bro, what happened? Bro, the insulation turned into powder. Just mash this in here. Hold on, let's actually test it on the ground. Bro, it works. No brakes. Bro, your scooter is fine. Okay, so you wanna look inside of the mole?
I wanna see if it's cooked.
It's probably fine. No, it's the biggest one, just like the G2 Master.
Old ass meme.
Bro, let's revive that meme for...
It's 2022.
Is that old?
Clash Royale players. Bro, this can you do it?
Okay.
Oh, look at that linkage. It's going up.
You have to unscrew this. Probably gonna crack your linkage.
No, don't. Wait.
Oh, it's
Did
fine.
you do this side? Okay, this side is down too.
Unscrew it.
They do quite a lot. Don't worry, I'm gonna hold it for you.
Alright.
Little baby.
Hey, yo.
I do not engage into such lustful activities. It's one of the biggest... It's one of the 7 sins.
Yes.
7. 6 or 7 sins.
Ah!
Linkage! Oh, look.
Listen.
Yo. Look at this, bro.
Oh, I wonder... Bro, look at the bearing.
I told you.
God, it's not even spinning. This one is a 6003.
Yo, Oh!
Oh, you have water in here. You have a
Oh my, the smell of that motor.
You have a little rust.
So why does the motor smell like that?
Okay, you actually have quite a lot of rust.
From what?
Your windings look fine.
Very good.
I mean, not very good, but your windings look fine. Boy's dying.
Smells like shit.
No, it's not. Hold on, I think I have one. Okay, it's a 6003.
No.
It's still a little rusty.
I don't care.
But at least it spins. Let's push the bearing out.
Okay.
This is your old bearing.
Ow.
This is the old bearing from the G2 Master.
Tough.
I mean, bro, it's a little weird, but at least it spins, right? This one doesn't even spin. The seal is fine.
So you don't know what that thing on the side of my motor is like? It looks like shit.
What, this?
Yes.
This is rust.
Started.
Yes, it's rust. It's fine. It's just surface rust.
How do you get rid of that?
Sand it down.
No.
Let's not do that. Sanding the inside of the motor can be a really bad thing.
No.
Also, a lesson for anyone watching this. Never sand your magnets. If you wanna get rid of rust on your magnets, use rust remover.
Yeah.
I do not currently possess that kind of chemical. Alright, this scooter is fixed. Well, not really. It works, but the bearings are still cooked. You have to replace them. You know what?
I'm pushing a fork.
If we are already here, I'ma just paint the G2 Master too. I'm gonna sand it down a little and freestyle it.
You should paint these black.
Nah, I'm leaving them like that. You know why? Because these grips are legendary, bro.
I know, but...
These grips been on 3 scooters and a bike. They went to war.
Guys, if you ever want to buy a cookie, don't buy an M.
Yes,
Don't
buy a
buy-
G. Let's take the scooter out. Let me also paint my scooter. First, I need some sandpaper. Alright, let's do another layer. I think later on I will powder coat the swing arms. A little spoiler. Alright, we're going riding with ethics again, who now has a fixed scooter after like 2 weeks because of the most stupid issue. Bro, your scooter looks so much better with black rims. It actually looks kinda powerful now. It's half of mine. Let's do the stomp of death. Yeah!
Oh yes, king!
Damn, I look so tough.
No, you don't.
Hell yeah. What's wrong with it now?
No, you have to hold it for longer.
Oh,
What?
something sparked.
Oh! Okay, so...
Bro, you need new plugs.
And where the